What is going on, everybody? Today's grand adventure, we are at Disney's Animal Kingdom. This is our first official trip back to Animal Kingdom since returning to the parks, and this will be wrapping up our mini saga of our epic return back to Disney World and all of its fun-filled theme parks. So stay tuned, stick around, and let's see what we can get into. All right, so we are going to be checking out the Avatar Pandora area. We have been to this area before. We were able to come here before we moved, and we did get to ride, what was it, the river journey, which was a pretty cool little fun ride. Yeah, we've been waiting for Flight of Passage forever, ever since it opened, because we didn't get to ride that one.
Not as patiently.
Yes, being not as patiently as the rest of us, but hopefully we correct that now. We're heading there now. Shows they've got about a 55-minute wait time, roughly. So stay tuned. So far, this is pretty freaking cool. Just the way the land, the theming, everything, it makes you feel like you really are walking on Pandora. It's awesome. That's all there is to it. It's awesome. This freaking queue line is by far probably one of the best, I say. It's pretty close, pretty similar as far as immersion as the Rise of the Resistance, but it's still pretty good. We just finished our meal at the Satu'li Canteen, and that was pretty interesting, to say the least.
We had the build your own.
So we had the build your own, which we got chicken. Everybody got the same thing for whatever reason, chicken and rice, and it had some black beans in there. I thought it was an okay dish. It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. Then we also had the Metcaina mousse. Metcaina, excuse me. We had the Metcaina mousse. That was pretty flavorful. I'm not a big mousse fan, but I actually enjoyed that. It had like a raspberry type jam or something in the middle of it, and it was pretty good. Like I said, I'm not a big mousse fan, but it was good. I recommend that. And then we also tried the blueberry cream cheese mousse. I enjoyed that one a lot better. I don't know, just something about the flavors. It was a little odd with the texture on top with that. It was like a fruit curd is what they call it on top. It was good, but it was definitely an odd texture in the mouth. So but all in all, I enjoyed both of them. And then Amanda, you got the Pandorian Sunrise, which was like a tropical drink. I'll throw up what that is on the screen, but it was pretty good. It was enjoyable. It was a nice, refreshing drink. So all in all, I think that was a pretty good meal. So tell us how you felt about your bowl.
It was really good. I ate my entire bowl and then finished off Mom and Dad's.
What did you think about the desserts?
The desserts were really good. I don't usually like the blueberry mousse, but it was actually pretty good for blueberry.
Yeah. What about the other one?
The Metcaina one, that one was really good. I may have tried to steal most of it.
for the phone. We are currently heading into Kilimanjaro Safaris. Always love doing this one. They cut out some of it over the years, but it's still a fun ride. Get to see all the cool animals. It's always a must see and do. Yeah, the original theme. Exactly. Who remembers the original ride and what took place that no longer exists? Let me know in the comments. We just got off of Kilimanjaro Safaris. Always love that ride. It's more of a safari based off of the conservation and the animals now. It's not so much a ride like it used to be, but I think it's an enjoyable ride. I really love seeing all the different animals, and I did find out from the cast member that was driving, there is a specific animal that she deems the most elusive animal in the whole safari, and that is the yellow-backed diker, if I'm saying that right. I'll throw a picture of him up on the screen, but that is my new mission, to find this animal. If you know where he's at, let me know in the comments. If you've seen him before, if you have a picture, let me know in the comments. I would really love to see him in the exhibit, but that's my new mission in life. Every time I ride it, I'm gonna see if I can spot him, and when I do, I'll be sure to post a short or something about it. That looks yummy. You got some gummies.
Not gonna answer that question. But it is good to know they do have Caesar salads at the Harambe market.
Amanda just pointed out the mango passion fruit cheesecake at the Harambe market here in Africa. Challenge accepted. Challenge accepted.
They have Caesar salads. I know.
Yeah, and they have Caesar salads.
A lot of people just some days want something light, non-greasy, a simple salad. They do have Caesar salads here.
Yep. So there's the full menu.
If you have an annual pass and you're wanting something to drink, don't get at the little outside stands. Go inside one of the stores. The lady in the sweet shop was telling me, and I probably should have knew this, all the stores sell drinks. And in the store, you get your 20% discount, where at the little outside stands, you don't. So, I mean, it might only be $1 or $2, but $1 or $2 adds up, you know.
If you want to save a few bucks, I'm all about saving some money where I can, especially when I'm visiting the parks. So yeah, that's a good tip to know. Again, we're relearning, rediscovering all of this as we go in real time. So if you know any other tips, tricks, or ways to save money when you're visiting Disney or Universal, any of the theme parks really, feel free to share those. Let us know in the comments down below, and let us know what your best tips and tricks to save a buck or two.
That size?
Do you know who that is? Do you know who that is? It's Doug and... I don't know the kid's name either. Okay, so we just got off of Dinosaur.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get him, grab the iguanodon. Let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus. Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go!
It's the first time being back on it, and man, that was awesome. We enjoyed it, but it was a bit rougher than I remember it. Maybe I'm getting old, I don't know, but it seems like it slung us around a good bit more than what it used to. But still, nonetheless, it was an enjoyable, nostalgic ride. So how many of you are sad to see this area change? How many of you are excited for what's in store in the future. So I, for one, am very sad to see this area change and become something else. But I'm torn because at the same time, I'll always welcome something new, something exciting on the horizon. But for me personally, it is a very sad and surreal moment because, like I said, we've been coming here forever with the kids ever since they were little, watching them play in the dig zone, play in the play area, and just be kids and have an amazing experience here at Disney. It's been awesome over the years, and to see this change, it does bring a tear to the eye. I'm not gonna lie, but then again, like I said, at the same time, I am excited to see what's on the horizon, what they've got planned for the future. I just hope they do it justice. I hope it brings kids of a new generation a whole new level of happiness and, you know, a great memory for them and their family to share together. So this about wraps up our adventure for the day. And at the same time, this wraps up our epic return back to Walt Disney World as a family. This has been truly an amazing adventure for us. It's been nostalgic, it's been fun, it's been magical. We have got to come and enjoy all of these parks again for the first time in all these years. Disney has always been a part of us, even when we weren't coming to the parks. It's just been awesome. Getting to come here, especially to Animal Kingdom, and see the things with the kids, remembering them growing up, has truly been awesome. And I'm blessed and I'm glad we've gotten to do this. But I do want to thank everybody for coming along and taking this journey with us and seeing what we've got going on. Stay tuned. We've got many, many more adventures to come in the future. If you haven't already, please do me the huge favor. If you're enjoying this video, hit that like button. If you haven't already, subscribe if you're enjoying the content we're bringing you. Because trust me, we've got some more amazing stuff planned. Share the video with your friends and family if you think it's something they'll enjoy. It's free, it doesn't cost you anything, and you can always delete me later if you don't enjoy. But yeah, so thank you all for coming along with us, being a part of this mini saga, if you will, of our grand adventures back here at Disney, and stay tuned for the future.
I want to steal the kangaroo behind us.
She wants to steal the kangaroo behind us, just like Bean wanted to steal the dinosaur statue. I don't think we're getting out with either, but if you guys know how, let us know in the comments. But other than that, thank you again, and stay tuned for what's to come, and we will see you on the next adventure.